Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best MIDI controllers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned producer, these controllers will help you unlock your creative potential. Check out the product links in the description below, and let's dive into the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the AKAI Professional LPD8. This budget-friendly MIDI controller is a compact yet powerful option tailored for musicians and producers on the go. With 8 RGB backlit MPC drum pads and 8 assignable knobs, it provides essential tactile control over your DAW parameters, virtual instruments, and plugins. The 4 programmable preset slots make it easy to switch between setups for different projects or performances, adding versatility to its already impressive feature set. Design-wise, the LPD8 is lightweight and portable, making it perfect for slipping into your laptop bag for quick jam sessions or on-the-go production. Despite its small footprint, the build quality is robust and reliable, inspired by Akai's standalone MPCs. The setup is plug-and-play, requiring no additional drivers or power adapters, which is a big win for convenience. However, the limited number of controls might feel restrictive for advanced users seeking more in-depth control over their DAW. Performance-wise, the drum pads are responsive and satisfying to use, whether you're triggering samples or programming beats. The knobs offer precision control for mixing and tweaking effects, though their compact size might be a slight drawback for users with larger hands. At just $59, the LPD8 is ideal for beginners or producers seeking a secondary MIDI controller for portable use. While it lacks the depth of features found in higher-end models, its affordability and portability make it a fantastic entry point into MIDI control. Pros: affordable, portable, easy setup. Cons: limited controls, not ideal for advanced users. At number 4, we have the Akai Professional APC Mini MK2. A versatile MIDI pad controller designed for Ableton Live users. With 64 RGB backlit pads arranged in an 8x8 matrix, this controller is tailor-made for clip launching, triggering loops, and creating dynamic live performances. The pre-mapped integration with Ableton Live ensures a seamless workflow, while features like drum and note modes make it easy to switch between beat-making and melodic playing. The APC Mini MK2's design is compact yet functional, with a layout that encourages creative exploration. It includes 9 assignable faders, 8 for track control and 1 for the master, offering hands-on control over volume, panning, and device parameters. While the build quality is solid for its price, the lightweight design may not be ideal for heavy-duty touring. The controller is powered via USB, making it highly portable, and the inclusion of Ableton Live Lite means you can dive into music production right out of the box. Performance-wise, the APC Mini MK2 shines in live settings, but it's equally effective for studio work. The RGB pads provide visual feedback for your clips, helping you stay organized during complex performances. However, users who don't work with Ableton might find the controller less intuitive, as its design is heavily optimized for Ableton's workflow. Priced at $99, this is a great option for producers who prioritize live performance or are deeply integrated into the Ableton ecosystem. Pros: seamless Ableton integration, compact design, 64 RGB pads. Cons: less intuitive for non-Ableton users, lightweight build. At number 3, we have the Akai Professional MPK Mini MK3, a staple in the world of MIDI controllers. This compact keyboard features 25 velocity-sensitive keys paired with 8 backlit MPC-style drum pads, making it a versatile tool for beat production and melodic composition. It also includes 8 assignable knobs that can be mapped to your DAW or virtual instruments, giving you full control over your mix and effects. The MPK Mini MK3's design is sleek and portable, weighing just 2 pounds. Its innovative 4-way thumbstick adds dynamic pitch and modulation control, while the built-in arpeggiator opens up creative possibilities for melodies and bass lines. The controller is USB-powered and comes with an impressive software bundle, including MPC beats and a curated native instruments complete 15 select package, which makes it a fantastic choice for beginners looking to dive into music production. In terms of performance, the MPK Mini MK3 delivers reliable responsiveness across its pads and keys. The velocity sensitivity adds an expressive touch, though some users might find the mini keys a bit cramped for extended play. At $99, this controller offers incredible value for its price, balancing portability and functionality. It's ideal for producers who need a compact controller for studio or on-the-go production. Pros: compact design, impressive software bundle, versatile controls. Cons: mini keys may feel cramped for some users. At number 2, we have the Arturia MiniLab 3, a MIDI controller that blends functionality, portability, and eco-conscious design. Featuring 25 velocity-sensitive slim keys, 8 multicolor RGB pads, 8 rotary encoders, and 4 sliders, this controller offers a hands-on approach to music production. The built-in arpeggiator, chord modes, and touch sensors for pitch and modulation provide additional creative tools, making it suitable for both beginners and pros. The MiniLab 3 is lightweight yet sturdy, and its eco-friendly design incorporates 50% recycled materials, a big plus for environmentally conscious users. The controller integrates seamlessly with major DAWs like Ableton Live, Logic Pro, and FL Studio, and the included software bundle is impressive. It features Analog Lab V, Ableton Live Lite, UVI Model D, and Native Instruments The Gentleman, along with subscriptions to Loop Cloud and Melodics. In terms of performance, the MiniLab 3's keys and pads offer excellent responsiveness, and the compact design makes it a great choice for mobile setups. The clickable browsing knob and OLED display enhance workflow efficiency, though advanced users may find the limited controls slightly restrictive for complex projects. Priced at $119, the MiniLab 3 strikes a balance between portability, functionality, and sustainability. Pros: eco-friendly design, great software bundle, versatile features. Cons: limited controls for advanced users. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Novation Launch Control XL3, a premium MIDI controller designed for advanced producers who demand precision and versatility. This powerhouse features 8 faders, 24 endless encoders, and 16 customizable buttons, all complemented by a crisp OLED display for real-time feedback. It's perfect for hybrid setups, allowing you to integrate external gear, DAW controls, and plug-in parameters into one seamless workflow. The design is robust and professional, with MIDI in, out, and out to through ports for connecting hardware synths and effects. The USB Type-C interface ensures fast and reliable connectivity, and the controller comes with software like Ableton Live Lite and Cubase LE, as well as plugins from Baby Audio and Output. While it's on the larger side, the build quality justifies its premium price tag. Performance-wise, the Launch Control XL3 excels in both studio and live environments. The faders and encoders are smooth and responsive, offering precise control over your mix and effects. The customizable mappings and 15 custom modes allow for unparalleled flexibility, but beginners might find the setup process intimidating. At $249.99, this is the ultimate choice for seasoned producers seeking a high-quality MIDI controller that can handle complex workflows. Pros: advanced features, robust build, seamless DAW and hardware integration. Cons: high price point, steep learning curve for beginners. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.